got something super interesting. We got a glass strength meter right here. Let's see if this will focus. So what this guy does is it tells you whether you have a tempered glass unit or not. The importance of identifying whether you have a tempered unit is, well, when you have tempered units, you can pretty much install whatever type of film you want. Tempered glass is heat strengthened up to 470 degrees. This identifies the little microfractures that's created when you take annealed glass and you heat strengthen it, right? So what we do is we take this and it shines this little light right here. I'll see if I can point it on camera. See that little light? So it shines it at an angle, and I look through it on this side, and if I'm able to notice let's see if we can get this on camera. So if this glass if that little light changes color, what it'll do is it'll rainbow out. I'll show a little video of it right here. The manufacturer created, or a little image right, or I'll put an image here and I'll put a video right here. When I'm looking at this unit, you'll actually see the color change. There's two things that happen here. This is going to tell you first panel thickness, so it's going to tell you how big the panel is, and then secondly, if you're able to see the little bar of light change color, it's showing you the microfractures that have happened within the glass unit as it's heated and cooled. So it's rapidly cooled. When it's rapidly cooled, it creates these microfractures because the glass is actually expanding and contracting during the strengthening process of the glass. This is an annealed glass unit, so it's not going to change color. But if you identify a tempered glass unit, you can install any type of film you want on that particular glass unit. Get yourself a glass strength meter. I think this is second most important meter to get. First is going to be that Glass Check Elite. I'll put the link to that video below. This is the second most important meter to get if you're in the window tinting or glazing industry. Peace.